And more on the way, it sounds like.
Yeah, rain and wind, guys. We picked up about 1/3 of an inch of rain here at the studios, our KGW News studios today. It looks like the back edge of that heavy stuff is working its way out of here. And that's good because we'll get a little break in the rain as we head into early tomorrow. That and some warmer temperatures on Friday as well. Right now, as we check out the rainfall across the region, about 3,600 measured in downtown, about 1/4 of an inch or so up towards Kelso. And the big winner on this map, Astoria, picking up just shy of an inch, or at least, better than 2/3 of an inch, right? 0.8. Rain diminishes tonight. Spotty showers in the forecast for Friday and much warmer as well. If we see some sun breaks tomorrow, some of the area could be pushing the 70-degree mark. That's if we manage, an hour or two of some clear skies. I'm not certain that that's going to happen, but what we are much more concerned about as we go into the forecast is this high wind event coming our way late tomorrow night and into the day on Saturday. So for that reason, Weather Service issuing basically a high wind watch for a good chunk of the KGW News viewing area, basically along and to the west of the Cascades. That watch continues through 8 o'clock Saturday night at the coast in the Coast Range and until about 11 o'clock up and down the I-5 corridor from Kelso and Longview all the way down to Eugene. Here's a look at the jet stream forecast. So we've been looking at this the last couple of days, and it is still a pretty strong jet, right? We've got jet stream level winds on the order of 175 miles an hour. For any time of the year, that would be considered a fairly strong jet, and it is pointed right at the Pacific Northwest. So we expect a pretty good storm system to develop offshore late Friday night and into Saturday, and that's where the wind and the rain really ratchets up. So let me track it for you with Futurecast. This is early Saturday morning. And there it goes. Whoop, just rolled on by there. But in any event, the storm projected to hit Vancouver Island. So with that, that's a pretty good track to bring us a fair amount of wind and rain. So Saturday, a quick snapshot of your weekend forecast. Wet and windy, especially at the coast. And not only that, but we may have some thunderstorms. So a little bit of everything in the Saturday forecast. As we go into Sunday, it looks like the weather improves through the day. So Sunday afternoon could wind up being quite kind of nice after that storm system rolls on through with some afternoon sun breaks. Here's a live look from our Wells Fargo sky camera. It's cloudy. It's been wet. The showers kind of diminishing those. We head through the evening hours. And as I mentioned, Friday, after maybe a morning sprinkle or two, we've got an opportunity to dry out a little bit. And Futurecast is trying to poke some holes in the cloud cover tomorrow as that flow turns a little bit more southerly. So if we do manage some sun breaks and the south wind starting to kick in a little bit, that could really help warm us up. But then the next weather system rolls on in and brings us the rain and the wind, as we mentioned, for Friday night into Saturday. Nice shot from Mount Thielsen down near the Crater Lake area. This posted on Instagram. Trail Sense grabbing this shot probably over the weekend there. Nice looking shot there. And near the Opal Creek Wilderness, this is Headline Falls. Jake Colvin sent this in earlier today, breathing in the mist on a foggy Oregon morning. Nice shot there as well. All right, to the beach we go. Mostly cloudy, a little warmer tomorrow with a few showers. Highs right around 60 degrees or so in Newport. Snow in the Cascades, if you've got travel over the passes tomorrow, not an issue. The snow level's way on up there. They will come down, though, on Sunday in the wake of that next weather system. Mid-60s in Madras tomorrow with a spotty shower possible. Eastern Oregon, you folks could get a little wet, not as wet as today. Mid-60s for highs out towards Pendleton with variably cloudy conditions in your forecast. And in the gorge, again, mostly cloudy. And the breeze through the gorge actually turning to the east as that storm system develops offshore. The east winds get cranking through the gorge tomorrow on the east end. Up and down the I-5 corridor and all the way down towards Salem and Corvallis. Again, we can't rule out a sprinkle or two, but Friday certainly looks like a warmer day. And as we've been mentioning, ladies, if we manage any sun breaks, we could go even warmer than that 65. So that'll feel pretty good. Windy and wet on Saturday. And then we come out of that a little bit on Sunday. Hopefully a dry day. Hopefully on Monday.